What's up everyone, my name is Robert Harris from Optical Photography. We're doing a cool shoot today where I'm going to test the 35 2.8 from Tamron against my Sony 1.8. I'm going to shoot them both wide open because I want to see how they look side by side, especially the closer portraits. And then Ray came through to let us test out the 35 and the 24 and the 17-28. So this is Ray. I'll put his Instagram and stuff. How do you say it? Ray Photography. Ray
Photography.
Photography.
Great.
Clever. So if you want to see footage on his channel, you can see the 24mm. He's going to do wide behind the scenes shots. This is the 17-28 that Jasmyn's got on the A6400, and then I've got these two lenses. And then hopefully you like the side by side. Let us know in the comments which, like, if you prefer the Tamron, Sony on each shot, let us know. The more we know, the better. And support him, support me, and then I'll tag Jasmyn. And then Kayleigh's our model today. She will, sounds like rain. She will be helping us. So Kayleigh, come through. This is Kayleigh. You've seen her in some of my photos. You haven't been in video yet, eh?
No, I haven't been.
So I'll put her Instagram, check her out, and then show some love, and hopefully we do more. Tell us if you want Kayleigh back or we get a new model. Okay, peace. I just want to stop and tell you what we're using for light. So we're using the AD200 from Godox again with a normal bulb head, and this is just a pop-up reflector because it's small. Because we're on location, I want to carry the big stuff around. So we're going to use this, and we're going to try and just use a dome head. I'll video that when we get there, and then do some down shots with that one, and then this for portraits. So that's the gear. Okay, I just want to take some portraits.
Okay.
Stand there for me, facing so I'll see if I can get this building in. I'm going to try to make shadow on your face with this thing, so you don't have light in your eyeballs. So where'd you get the wig from? Show.
I bought it recently.
Yeah.
Because I've always wanted turquoise hair.
Yeah.
But I can't change my own hair color to turquoise. This doesn't happen.
Okay, give me portraits. So I'm shooting from about your hip.
Okay.
And let's do like not so much looking at the camera stuff, more like you're just posy, editorial type stuff. And then try and not move too much this way, and that way just so that the sun stays blocked with this thing. Oh jeez. Okay, hold that pose for me. I'm gonna swap this out. Need a better way to do this. Let's do some full length. I just want to put the sun behind you for this. So let's try. Just come stand here for me. So I'm going to try to put the sun behind your head. So look this way. I don't know if I like that wall, but let's just try here. Yeah. I'm going to shoot that way, so you shouldn't see that. Okay, don't move too much. Well, that's what the lens does. It blurs it out. You won't see standard bank. Okay, I'm going to do full length, eh? Give me another pose. Okay, I want you to hold that pose for 2 shots. Well, with the other lens as well. Should have 2 cameras actually. Next time. I don't own 2 of these. It's expensive, this camera. One more. Just check it. Nice. Give me one more pose. Let's do 1 or 2 more poses. Full length like this. Another one. Hold that pose for me for another shot. One more. Give me one more of the. Sorry. Just let's carry on. Give me a new pose. Sorry.
We gonna take it, 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 gonna take it. Top, I'm gonna take it to the top. I'm gonna take it to the top. I'm gonna make it to the top. We're gonna make it to the top. We're gonna bring our hands up. We're gonna bring our hands up.
I think we need to use this railing, stairs, and then I would like to use this road with the buildings. You don't have to come all the way down. I need to be all the way down. I'll try to get stairs till your head. Come one more down if you can. Woo. See, that might look really cool. But that's even that whole building behind you. Are you sitting? No, stand first. You can sit, but I just want you to stand for one. Did you drive like that?
Huh?
With your hair?
Yeah. People.
Cops. It's Pretoria, we don't judge. Do you live around here? Or further, Pretoria?
Like 25 minutes, half an hour.
Give me very big poses and not looking at the camera. Stay across my head.
Okay, cool.
So,
Big
because
poses.
I'm low, so I don't want you to look down. I want you to look straight over my head. But like flashy show dancers. Yeah, here we go. I don't have to tell you things. This is why I invited you. Okay, hold that pose for 2. They look cool. Also because I forget to do it, and then one more. Give me a new one.
Yeah.
Fix your hair for me. It's just a little bit frizzy.
No, that's the thing about the wig. It doesn't fall flat. It just like stays.
Can you go a little bit this way so I can get more building? Yeah. Oh shit. Let me just double check. Very nice. We're gonna do one more. Okay, next lens. Let's do sitting.
Can I start using like
You can.
stuff?
You must just suggest. Aren't we sitting anymore? So the only reason I don't want that is the sun's in your face.
Okay, so do you want this way?
We could rather do that side. Let's go that side. So your face is not so like lit up by the sun. Can you move further that way? I can hold it if you want to. It's okay, let me see. Because I'm only shooting your face.
I got you,
You
Rob.
know what I haven't done, Jasmyn?
What?
B-roll. We'll have to just do it right at okay, hold it for 2. Coming, just nice.
Sometimes I'm shouting.
Really?
When I get like a nice shot, it's
Yes! Got it! Let's go home!
We got it. It's fine now.
I like that. Can you hold it for another one? That's a whole nother lens shot. Hold it for 2. Look at me with your eyes. Hold it for another. very windy. So we're going to use the AD200 Pro with just a dome head on. That's actually a dome head from the V360, I think it's called. The old Godox flash with the batch pack, but it fits over this bulb really well. So we're going to use this for now just because it's very windy, you can't use the umbrella. And yeah. Look straight over me now. Look. Yeah. I don't know where you're looking.
Looking over there.
I'm blind. Guys, go off.
Little bit. One side.
Go off now. Oh, those are test shots. Why? Again? Something to do with the trigger. It's all on, man. Did I change the settings while I was doing
Call my name, yes, come and say my name. Call my name, I'm never gonna stop if you just call my name. I'm never gonna drop it, gonna take.
Okay, so we're done. I hope you guys enjoy the images. Please comment and let us know which one you like the most. Do you prefer that lens, this lens? Do you like Kayleigh? Do you like the hair? Should we do more of them? If you want, please check out Kayleigh's Instagram and stuff. Do you have anything else? She needs a
Instagram.
YouTube.
Yeah, he keeps hammering me on a YouTube channel. Let me know
Comment and let her know she needs a
if
YouTube
I
channel.
need to start one. My Instagram handle is kkg2507.
That's very complicated.
I know. It's good.
You're one of those people.
I am.
What's your Instagram? The long thing.
It's a long one.
Okay, thank you. Cool. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed it, please comment and like and share, and we appreciate the feedback so we can comment back and let you know what we did, settings we used, lenses, so on. So let us know. Anyway, enjoy. Peace.